London, 1814. Not a battlefield nor a royal dispute, but a brewery. The Mew and Company Brewery, to be precise. Within this brewery resides a gigantic vat, holding over 1 million liters of beer, a volume to quench the thirst of an entire city. The vat ruptures, unleashing a colossal wave of beer. The pressure triggers a domino effect, causing other vats to fail as well. Soon, London streets are awash with a 15-foot-high wave of beer. The torrent of beer demolishes 2 houses and a pub, tragically claiming 8 lives. The incident becomes known as the London Beer Flood.